Hey guys, Cars on Fritz here. We're going to be doing a bit of an unboxing video. So, I figure, I'll show you my welding stuff, because that's kind of my thing. I'm getting hardcore into some fabrication and some welding, and, we'll see the fun stuff I picked up today. So, this is my old and busted helmet. It's not, it's in good shape, but this is an Amazon cheapo. 30 bucks, Amazon. Not a bad helmet. Small view space. But it's not bad. For a beginner and for somebody that's not going to be trying to do any professional welding or anything like that, great helmet. Just fine. But like you can see, that's a pretty small view space. Like what do we got? Two fingers. 2 fingers. So like that. So I went and I picked up this bad boy. Yeah, look at that. That is some serious stuff right there. So we're going to open this up and check it out. Bam. Ooh, look at the pretties. Yeah, styling. Very Darth Vader-ish. So, this one actually has, I hope you guys can see that because my front screen turned off, so I can't see what you guys can see. This one has the digital readouts and buttons, so you can have memory settings for what you're welding or grinding or whatever the case may be. So, really cool. Very excited. Very excited to use that. Gonna throw some stickers on it, Oh yeah, so here, let me show you this. So the old one does not have digital readout. Like, you can really see the difference in the welding screen there, in your viewing area. And then it's got the turny dials, so yeah, big improvement. I'll probably keep the old helmet, because it still works, it's fine. And then, so I did this too. So I'm taking college classes to get more proficient at welding and to get my certification. So I went out and I bought this, which they recommended. So I'm going to reset up the camera so you guys can hopefully see this better. And, yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so here we are. I'm behind the camera now. Weird. Alright. So, TIG gloves for, stainless and aluminum and all the fun stuff that you can do with TIG, which I'm really excited to learn. I have zero experience with TIG welding. Very excited. Grinding goggles, awesome, great safety thing, gonna be good to have. It's a nice pair. Let's see, I think we're styling now. Safety glasses, really good. Should have used those when I was cutting that steel before, but I didn't. Standard cheapo Walmart gloves, which are fine. Alright, let's see. Okay, welding jacket. So these are great. They've got the leather arms. And it's supposed to be in flame retardant and everything like that. I hope you guys can see that. But it's really cool. It's kind of a requirement for the class. They want you to have it. Alright. So, and arc welding gloves. Really nice. Weld America. Very cool. Wire brush. Clean off your surfaces with. Striker for starting your torch. Ooh, spark it. Alright. I really need to work on the delay on this thing and how quickly that shuts off. Soapstone. A pickaxe for for busting your welds so you can get the slag off your weld. It's like a welding feeler gauge. It's for tip cleaner. Yeah, for doing the tip of your torches. And the thing that fell on the floor, which I now have to get, well, wearing these. So, look, fun. Woo. Styling, right? I mean, this is a free, or, well, they say free t-shirt, but, you know, you paid for it. Well, that's how it works. Alright. Bam. Ooh, it's nice. So this is probably also, this is bigger than I need. This is an extra large. I wear a large. This shirt probably in itself is flame resistant. They tend not to use the term fireproof because if something catches on fire and you said it was fireproof, then I'm not going to put that in there. Yeah. So, lots of fun. Cool new toys for what I'm hoping will turn into a cool new career. As I've said before, my dad is a welder fabricator. Now he does plumbing, but he is a welder fabricator by trade. And here, that was probably horrible because I stuck my finger all in front of the camera lens. And so, kind of excited to follow his footsteps, you know. Didn't figure I'd be doing it at 40, but, you know, whatever. So, yeah, pretty cool. Excited for the new helmet. So now I'm gonna pull out my welder and set it all up and start doing practice beads because I'm excited. Very, very excited. Oh, look, I'm sure you guys noticed, but the shirt, wow, bam, you could buy these. Teespring/Cars on the Fritz. Come on, look at that, look at that. It's amazing. You show your Arizona pride and support me. Alright guys, yeah, just a quick little thing to show you the fun toys and the improvement over, you know, crappy Amazon helmet. Good helmet. Yeah. Alright, yeah, that was fun. There will probably be some welding content coming up. You know, you guys can watch me run some beads and prep some steel and make some little things, and, you know, we'll just kind of go from how we go, and we'll keep doing car stuff and all that. But, alright guys, keep liking and oh, we're at 142 subscribers, which is freaking incredible. So, keep liking, keep subscribing, you know, keep commenting. The comments are great because it gives me a chance to talk to you guys. Check out my friends, Bryce DeCastro. He's got the 74 F-250 Frankenstein. Jeez, brain fart. It's been a long week. And Street 6 fan, just badass. He's doing some welding stuff too, so that's kind of funny. Old car guy. He's great. All right, guys, I will talk to you later.